How to get rid of Snapchat Plus. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about getting rid of Snapchat Plus or canceling the Snapchat Plus subscription. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and simply launch the application and make sure that you have logged in with your specific account. Now to get rid of Snapchat Plus, you have to first cancel your Snapchat Plus subscription if you have activated. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to access settings. Find and tap on Snapchat Plus. If you're currently subscribed, you will see an option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process and you'll be done. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can cancel the Snapchat Plus subscription easily. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.